The bad bitch out here talking shit, and when they walk up to you, they breath smell like a thing full of shit, thing full of garbage, man. I've been out with plenty of these bitches. These bad yellow hoes, bad exotic black bitches. Breath smell like hot shit. Like, oh wait, where your money going, baby? You ain't got no toilet paper in your house. You ain't got no money to buy you no motherfucking tampons, you know what I'm saying? And shit, man, where your toothbrush at? But they out here sponsoring shit. They can't be using the shit. They must be selling the shit here. Man, oh wait. I'm talking about bitch, you open up your ass cheeks, bitch. Hey, a bitch got another tell you eat her ass. You open up her ass cheeks, boy, her hair look like a thing full of milky peanut butter. Bitch, that shit ain't exciting. Bitch, yeah, nah, bitch, nah. But you a bad bitch. You get inside the little hall. Bitch, shit, you got a thing full of peanut butter on your tongue. Where they do that at? Man, to all these bad bitches out here, man, stop playing game, man. Invest in your toiletries. Invest in your tampons. Invest in your toothpaste. Invest in your toilet paper, you know what I'm saying? You got all this hair care products. Talking about, man, I ain't finna take my braids down for about 3 months. Damn, bitch, I ain't never had no braids up for no 3 months. Bitch, you lazy as a motherfucker, bitch. I know your body ain't squeaky clean, bitch. I know you smell like shit. Fuck you, man. Yeah, name dropping, man. Say, man, these bitches out here tripping, but want to talk bad about a nigga. Bitch, talk bad about yourself first, cause your breath hot. So, there's a few names I gotta drop. Bob Raven, you know what I'm saying? Bob Jayla, you know what I'm saying? Bob Tierra, you know what I'm saying? And we out this thing like that, YouTube. Public announcement. Invest in your hygiene, ladies, before you talk shit. Bob Cat, we know your shit stink. Away, Bob Nene, in the car, nigga farting all day. Your shit is hot. We out.